4, Subject Science, Chapter number 2, Human Body, the Teeth. Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn about the role of teeth, two sets of teeth, that is temporary teeth and permanent teeth, and different kinds of teeth in the mouth. We will learn about their functions as well. Teeth are very important part of our body. Without teeth, how we will enjoy our food? How we will bite and chew the food? Teeth help us to bite and chew. Is teeth used for only eating food or there are other functions of teeth? Yes, there are other functions of teeth as well. They give shape to our face. It makes our face attractive and beautiful. It makes us look smart. Can you imagine your face without teeth? Nobody will like to be toothless. Teeth not only give shape to our face, but it also help us to speak clearly. Have you noticed the babies or the old people, those who are without teeth, how do they speak? Whatever they speak, their speech is not clear. They don't speak as clear as we do. It is difficult for us to understand what are they speaking. With the lips and tongue, teeth helps to form words by controlling the airflow. So, teeth help us to speak. Now, the different functions of teeth. Teeth help us to bite and chew food. Teeth help us to look smart. It gives shape to our face. It helps us to speak clearly. These are the different functions of teeth. Now, there are two sets of teeth. They are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth means which is not permanent, which is need to be changed. We all are born without teeth. Teeth starts to develop at the age of 6 months. One by one, 20 teeth grows. By the age of 3 years, a child has 20 teeth. During birth, there is no teeth in a child's mouth, but by 3 years, the child has 20 teeth in his mouth. These teeth are called temporary teeth or milk teeth. These are total 20 in numbers. These teeth are weak and from the age of 6 years, the child start losing the milk teeth. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their place. This new set of teeth are called permanent teeth. They are usually 32 in numbers. So, there are two sets of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Let's see the difference between the temporary teeth and the permanent teeth. Difference between temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth, they start appearing at the age of 6 months. And permanent teeth, it begins to replace milk teeth around the age of 6 years. When the milk teeth falls, in its place permanent teeth grows. So, from 6 months to 6 years, we have milk teeth in our mouth, and from the age of 6th year, the milk teeth start falling, and in place of milk teeth, it is replaced by the permanent teeth. Milk teeth or the temporary teeth, they are smaller and they are weak as well. But the permanent teeth, they are bigger and they are stronger. There are three types of milk teeth in our mouth. These are incisors, canines and molars. And there are four types of permanent teeth. These are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Here premolars are the extra teeth in an adult mouth which the child does not have. Temporary teeth, they are total 20 in numbers. 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. And permanent teeth, they are total 32 in numbers. 16 on the upper jaw and 16 on the lower jaw. So we have seen the difference between temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth, they start appearing at the age of 6 months and permanent teeth replaces the milk teeth around the age of 6 years old. Temporary teeth are smaller and weaker. Permanent teeth are bigger and stronger. Temporary teeth are of three types: incisors, canines and molars. And permanent teeth are of four types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. We will learn about these four kinds of teeth in detail. And temporary teeth, they are 20 in numbers, whereas the permanent teeth are 32 in numbers. Look at your teeth in the mirror. Do all of them appear similar? No. All the teeth are not similar. Let's learn in detail about them. Kinds of teeth. There are four kinds of teeth in our mouth. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. See, in this picture, four kinds of teeth are there: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. They are present on the upper and lower jaw. Let's start with the first kind of teeth. We have different modes of biting into different kinds of food. So one by one we'll start. See, these names are little difficult. This incisors, canines, premolars and molars. But once you'll read for 4 to 5 times, you'll be able to learn these names. I'm very sure that you can learn this name easily after reading 4 to 5 times. Okay, now incisors. Incisors. It is also called as cutting teeth. When you eat a burger, you use the front teeth to cut and bite the burger. These teeth are called incisors. They are used for cutting and biting the food. So in this picture, these incisors are used to cut and bite the food. Incisors. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the lower jaw and like that 4 on the upper jaw. The front teeth are called incisors and they are also called as cutting teeth. There are total 8 incisors present in our mouth, 4 in each jaw. They have sharp and straight edges. You can learn the name by remembering the scissor. What is the function of scissor? To cut. Like that, the function of incisor is to cut the food. You all like burger? So see, we cut and bite the piece of burger by using our incisor, and then we put it in our mouth and the other teeth helps for chewing it. The second type of teeth is canines. It is also called as tearing teeth. Generally, before chewing the food, you tear the food. This is done with the help of canines. This is present next to the incisors. We have total 4 canines in our mouth, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. So what is the function of canines? Canines are used for tearing the food. They are pointed and sharp to tear the food. See the difference between canines and the incisor. Incisors are flat but sharp edges to cut the food. But canines, they are pointed and very sharp edges to tear the food. This is the difference between incisors and canines. Their functions are also different. One is for biting and cutting, and the canines are for tearing the food. Now after that, the third type of teeth is premolars. Premolars, there are certain kinds of food like rice or poha which we immediately take on one side of the mouth and we start crushing and grinding the food. This mode of eating by crushing and mashing and grinding food is done with the help of this kind of teeth which is present after the canines, and these teeth are known as premolars. They are broad and flat. They help to crack and grind the food. There are cusps are present which helps to grind the food. Sometimes you eat nuts with the help of these teeth only. First you crush it and then you mash it and then grind it and then you enjoy that nut. Open your mouth wide and look into the mirror. Observe your teeth. You will be able to see the difference between the structure of these different kinds of teeth. Their function is also different. So their formation is also different. Number of premolars in our mouth, 4 in each jaw. There are total 8 premolars we have in our mouth. Why are these teeth are called premolars? Because at the farthest end next to it another kind of teeth is present, and that is called molars, and these premolars are present before the molars, so that's why they are called premolars. In premolars, cusp like small projections are there which helps to crush and grind the food. Next is molars. Molars are present in the end of the jaw. They have largest surface area because they are more in number. There are total 12 molars present in an adult mouth. 6 on the upper jaw and 6 on the lower jaw. This is a picture of upper jaw. They are used for crushing, grinding and chewing the food. They are next to the premolars and broader than premolars. They help in grinding the food properly before swallowing it. Now what is wisdom teeth? Wisdom teeth is a type of molar teeth. They are present at the back of the mouth. This usually grow in the late teens or early 20s. Sometimes even it remains inside the gums and do not come out as there is no space in the mouth to grow this teeth. You must have heard this Akkal ke daat, but actually wisdom teeth have nothing to do with how clever you are. It's just a say. Now the different types of teeth. Till now we have learn about 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors helps for cutting and biting food. Canines helps in tearing the food. Premolars for grinding, chewing and crushing the food. And molars for grinding, chewing and crushing the food. Next, the number of teeth in our mouth, the different kinds of teeth in our mouth, like number of incisors are present, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw, so total 8. Number of canines, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw, so the total is 4. The number of premolars, 4 on the upper jaw, 4 on the lower jaw, and total number of premolars are 8. The number of molars, 6 on the upper jaw and 6 on the lower jaw. Total number, that is 12. This is for the permanent teeth. Temporary teeth means total 20 teeth are there in temporary teeth, milk teeth. So the number of incisors, that is 4 on the upper jaw, 4 on the lower jaw, means total 8. Number of canines, 2 on the upper jaw, 2 on the lower jaw, total 4. And number of molars, 4 on the upper jaw and 4 on the lower jaw, total 8. They don't have premolars. The babies are not having premolars and they have total 20 numbers of teeth. And the adults, they have 32 teeth in their mouth. It is not like that the permanent teeth are permanent. It also falls when we become old. One by one we lose all the permanent teeth as well. But unlike milk teeth, it is long lasting. We can enjoy it till our old age. Let's recall today what we have learned in this video. We have learned about the different function of teeth. Then we have learned about the 2 sets of teeth. Those are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. And we also have learned about the different kinds of teeth and their functions. Small homework for you. Read the chapter carefully and write hard words 2 times in your notebook.